Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the best 3D printer you can buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinions and our research, and I've listed them based on quality, features, and I've included options every type of consumer. So whether you're looking for the best 3D printer under $500, have the products for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Longer Big Size 3D Printer. Brand name, Longer. Built-in 4.3 super big touchscreen to have better reaction with printer. No more knob. Just touch by your fingers. Build size, 220,220,250mm touchscreen, 4.3 color touchscreen. Printing speed, 180mm per second. Slice software, Corel, Repetier host. File format, G-code, STL. Connection, TF card or USB cable. Material, 1.75mm PLA, fabs, wood, etc. More friendly user interface to understand in operation. Creality Ender 3 Pro 3D Printer. Brand name, Creality 3D. Classic 3D Printer Ender 3 Pro. Working mode, online or SD card offline. Filaments, 1.75mm PLA, fabs, book, copper, wood, carbon fiber. Software supporting, Prod, SolidWorks, UG, 3D Max, Rhino 3D Design. File format, STL, Object, AMF, G-code. Printing method, TF card, online, offline. Layer software, Corel, Repetier host. Printing size, 220,220,250mm stable power supply. High quality extruder. Resume printing while power off. Flying Bear newest 3D printer. Brand name, Flying Bear. Ghost 4S full metal frame high precision DIY 3D printer. Print size, 255,210,210mm printer size, 392342420. Max printing speed, 150mm per second. Ghost 4 material type, PLA, fabs, wood, hips. Ghost 4's printing mate rail type, book, PLA, fabs, wood, hips. Power requirements, 24V, 300W. Connectivity, Wi-Fi, SD card, USB. Input file format, STL, OBJ, DE, AMF. Output file format, code, JCG. Compatibility, Windows, Mac control software, Repetier host, Corel. Machine weight, 15 kilograms. Tronxy Filament Sensor 3D Printer. Brand name, Tronxy. 330,330mm heat table 3D machine filament sensor. Printing speed, 40mm per second. Slice thickness, 0.1 to 0.4mm maximum printing speed, 100mm per second. Interface type, USB. Color print speed, 20 to 100mm per second. Filament, PLA ABS HLPS flexible wood PC PVC and so on. Slice software, Repetier host Corel. Power supply, 24V. Maximum working speed, 100mm per second. Voltage, 110-220V. Operating system, Windows, MOS OS, Linux. File format, STL.G code, object nozzle diameter, 0.4mm. Support, touchscreen and auto leveling. Artillery Large 3D Printer. Brand name, Artillery. 300x 400mm large plus size high precision. Touchscreen. Interface type, USB. Color print speed, 60 mm to 150 mm per second. Build volume, 300,300,400 mm. Layer resolution, 0.1 mm to 0.35 mm. Travel speed, 250 mm per second. Print surface, glass ceramic. Heat bed type, AC heat bed. Number of extruders, 1 filament diameter, 1.75 mm. Supported materials, PLA, FABS, flexible PLA, wood, PVA, HIPS. XYZ resolution, 0.05 mm, 0.05 mm, 0.1 mm. Nozzle temperature, 180 C 240 C. Nozzle heat up time, 3 minutes. Build plate heat up time, 80 C in less than 2 minutes.